Welcome, adventurers, to an exciting expedition as we embark on a virtual safari to explore the incredible wildlife that inhabits the vast and diverse landscapes of Africa. Today, we'll be delving into the fascinating lives of some of the most iconic safari animals. Our journey begins in the breathtaking Savannah, a vast grassland that stretches as far as the eye can see. Meet the African elephant, the largest land mammal on Earth. These majestic creatures roam the savanna in family groups, demonstrating incredible intelligence and social bonds. The acacia trees provide a vital source of food, and the elephants play a crucial role in shaping the landscape. Lions are highly social animals, living in prides led by a dominant male. We'll observe the intricate social dynamics within these prides, where bonds are forged through play, grooming, and shared responsibilities. The pride becomes a formidable force, essential for survival in the wild. In the Serengeti, the hunt is a vital aspect of lion life. Lionesses, the primary hunters, showcase remarkable teamwork and strategy as they pursue their prey. The circle of life continues as we explore the nurturing side of lion families. Lion cubs, playful and curious, are the future of the pride. We'll observe their interactions, growth, and the crucial lessons they learn from their elders. The vast and picturesque savanna, where the acacia trees paint the landscape. This is the realm of the giraffe, where their towering necks and distinctive spots make them stand out against the horizon. Giraffes are masterful herbivores, and their elongated necks allow them to reach the highest branches of acacia trees. Join us as we witness their graceful feeding rituals and learn about the specialized adaptations that enable them to thrive on a diet of leaves high above the ground. The endless plains are home to a spectacular array of wildlife, each species playing a vital role in the delicate balance of this ecosystem. Meet the elegant zebras and the mighty wildebeests, iconic inhabitants of the savanna. Every year, these herds embark on a remarkable journey, showcasing the resilience and determination needed to survive in the face of predators and changing landscapes. Their migratory patterns and group dynamics are awe-inspiring as they navigate the plains in search of water and lush grazing grounds. It's a delicate dance between survival and the circle of life. These semi-aquatic mammals are not only impressive in size, but play a crucial role in shaping the dynamics of the river ecosystems. Hippos are social creatures, often found in groups called pods. These tight-knit communities offer protection against predators and create a fascinating social structure. Let's observe how they interact with each other along the riverbanks. Wallowing is a common behavior among hippos, and it serves multiple purposes. Not only does it help regulate their body temperature, but the mud also acts as a protective layer against the sun's harsh rays and pesky insects. These are the lands where the mighty rhinoceros roams. These remarkable creatures, with their thick skin and iconic horns, have adapted to thrive in the grassy plains, showcasing a blend of power and resilience. One of the two main species we find in Africa is the white rhinoceros. Despite their name, white actually comes from the Dutch word wid, meaning wide, describing their broad mouths perfectly adapted for grazing on grass. Rhinos are not just symbols of strength, they play a vital role in maintaining the balance of their ecosystems. By grazing on grasses and shaping the landscape, they contribute to the overall health and diversity of the African savanna. Now see the most iconic and formidable creatures, the African buffalo. These majestic creatures, also known as the Black Death, play a crucial role in the delicate balance of this ecosystem. In the scorching African heat, water becomes a precious resource. Our exploration takes us to the vital watering holes where buffalo herds gather to quench their thirst, offering a glimpse into the intricate dynamics of life around these oases. From the sweeping savannas to the vital watering holes and tranquil woodlands, these incredible creatures demonstrate the resilience and beauty of African wildlife. I hope you enjoyed this immersive journey. Until next time, happy exploring.